It is my great pleasure to welcome you to the world of learning new concepts and current trends, so let's start. Recall the standard AI experience from 2023 through 2025. You opened a browser tab, typed a prompt into a text box, waited for the response, and then manually copied that text into your actual work application. It was a digital brain in a jar. The system could generate the right answers, but it lacked the digital hands to execute the work within your operating system. In early 2026, that barrier finally broke. Artificial intelligence escaped the web browser and began operating computers directly. The friction started with the context limit, the maximum amount of data an AI model can hold in its active memory. When professionals used web chatbots for multi-document enterprise tasks, they hit a hard technical ceiling. Analyzing an entire financial quarter required manually uploading hundreds of pages of PDFs and spreadsheets into a web interface. Moving that much data by hand became a massive bottleneck for complex knowledge work. To achieve real productivity, the models had to move out of isolated web tabs and into the local storage where your files actually live. Anthropic addressed this with Claude Opus 4.6, building a 1 million token context window, allowing the AI to swallow entire folders at once. Simultaneously, OpenAI launched GPT 5.3 Codex with a macOS application, wiring the model directly into the local operating system. The sheer scale of these new models forced a structural shift. Conversation in the cloud was replaced by heavy-duty computing integrated directly into your desktop. This level of system access created the AI agent, a model granted permission to take autonomous actions on local files without a human guiding every single click. Anthropic's Cowork tool allows Claude to execute coding-style data tasks on local files, like bulk formatting or folder organization, even if the user does not know how to program. Meta followed suit with a desktop version of their Monas app, providing the AI with direct file system access and permissions for day-to-day productivity tools. The AI transitioned from a passive conversational tool into an active participating coworker. To see the extreme end of agentic action, look at Microsoft's early 2026 patent for a video game AI helper. This patent diagram outlines a system where an AI agent temporarily takes over the controls of a video game to clear a difficult section on behalf of the user. AI is moving fast, science is moving fast, technology is moving fast, and most updates online are either too complicated or just pure hype. Welcome to Future Explained, the channel where we take the latest updates in AI, technology, and science and explain them simply. This is a clear indicator of the new era. The system is no longer designed to give you tips on how to win. It is designed to click the buttons for you. A single local agent is useful, but the scale of the system changes when you integrate it into a workflow layer that spans multiple applications. This shows Adobe and NVIDIA's creative pipelines. Raw data flows autonomously from a text editor to an image generator to a layout publisher. Teams Copilot connects these dots for corporate communication. When a call ends, it routes tasks to everyone's workflow apps. By removing the manual friction of data transfer, these layers allow entire pipelines to operate seamlessly. These integrated agents are now reaching the public sector, starting with a major pilot program in the United Kingdom for employment services. Traditionally, citizens had to perform dozens of separate searches to find information. This new AI workflow maintains persistent context, remembering exactly what a job seeker needs as they move through the site. The AI actively guides the user through a multi-step application process across different government pages, rather than leaving them to navigate the bureaucracy alone. The value of an agentic workflow is its ability to hold a user's hand through an entire process from start to finish. Despite these advances, AI agents are not fully autonomous. They operate strictly through human delegation and require constant oversight. This was demonstrated when Microsoft scaled back certain Windows 11 Copilot features in early 2026. It was a reminder that reliability and user control still matter more than technical novelty. Safe agentic workflows require explicit opt-outs, strict data controls, and a human manager reviewing every final action the agent takes. The shift from conversational chatbot to workflow assistant is fully real. It changes the human's role from a prompter to a manager. Future Explained brings you the latest AI, technology, and science updates, explained simply. In every episode, what happened, why it matters, and a real example, no hype. Subscribe for shorts plus deep explanations. So if you want to stay up to date with the future without getting lost in hype, subscribe to Future Explained and comment below, what should I explain first, AI, technology, or science?